Hi, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to learn about variable and its time. Let us know what is variable. Variable, it is nothing but name given to the data type. Let us know the syntax of this. Here we are declaring data type and giving the name to it. For example, int a. Here we are declaring int as a data type and a as a variable name. We cannot use keywords as a variable name, and we cannot use no white spaces for variable name. It is used to manipulate programs. There are 5 types of variables depend upon their access in the program. Let us know the first one is local. Here the declaration is within function or block. Block means where this curly braces start and end. It is known as block. Here access of this variable will be within the block only. Next one is global. Global means it can be declared in anywhere in the program, and access of that variable will be anywhere. Next one is auto. Here we no need to specify the keyword because it is automatically created by the compiler during its execution. Next one is static. It retain its value, that is means if you call a function repeatedly, its value will become the same. It does not change its value. Next one is extend. Here extend, it is used for declaring source files and functions. In order to access for anywhere, we are going to use extend. Let us consider the example for all those variables with example. Here we are declaring the variable extend int a equal to 5. Next, you are declaring here one global variable int b equal to 10. There is no need to specify for global and auto variable. They are defaultly created. Next one is we are creating add function. Void add. We are declaring one local variable. It is local value. D is the local variable. And a and b are the extend variable. One is extend and the second one is global variable or auto variable. We are just incrementing a value and b value, and we are creating one main function. Here we are creating one auto variable, that is char a b equal to a, and we are calling add function. It will calls the add, and what it will do, it will increment the value of a, that is 5 equal to a plus plus means it will increase by 1. Then its value will become 6. Next b, also it will increment, then its value will become 11. It just printing those value here. So we are getting 6 and 11. It's trying to print local variable, that is d. Here we will got error, that is no access to the local variable. Next what you are doing, just printing the a value. A value will remain as 5. Next what you are doing, again we are calling that add function. Here what will you do, a value is 5. So again it got increment, a plus plus means 6. Here b value, what its value is, previous value is 11. Means it does not change its value to previous value. Here again we are incrementing that 11. Now it becomes 12. After we are doing the printf, it's display as 612. Static means whose value is retain its value. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, please comment below and subscribe to this channel.